Good evening, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Tonight I'm going to show you how to build a financial calculator in Excel. This is a part of a series of different financial calculators I'm teaching you to build in Excel. This one's to save for something important in your life. For me, it's a real life example. I'm saving for a new car. How much do I need to save every month to be able to buy a $30,000 car 12 months from now? That's what this calculator is for. Also, I'm going to, you could use this for whatever you want. Maybe it's your dream vacation, your honeymoon, your wedding, your kid's college, whatever you want, your retirement, whatever you want to save it for. That's what I'm building this for. Okay, so follow along and let's get started. So in Excel, we're going to use this calculator. Like all the other calculators we've built, we need to have the rate, the end period, number of periods, the payment, PMT, the present value, PV, the type, and the final value, FV. Okay, so the rate is going to be whatever the interest rate you get on your savings account. Now, there are good savings accounts available right now that can get you 4 to 5%. So let's do 5% divided by 12 or whatever you can get at your bank. But there are online ones that'll give you 4 to 5% currently. So let's go with 0.41667, I think was what it was. Yep. Okay. 12 months from now, this is a real life example because 12 months from now, I need to be able to buy a new car because I'm going to give my daughter my car because she's going to turn 16. So 0.41667% I have to put. All right. I want to be able to do this 12 months from now. Leave this one alone for right now. My starting value is zero in savings, type 0, and then FV, the final value. I need to have $30,000 for a new car. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Now, we need to do this payment. How much is my payment going to be? So here's how you do this. You go to formulas, insert function. Okay, that'll pop up this over here. You search PMT, that'll pop up this. Click insert function. Then it's going to walk you through it. Rate, click on this one, that's the rate. End periods, number of periods, this one, select that. PV, present value, select this. Final value, this one, FV. And type right here. Type 0. Click done. And it will tell me, okay? Ignore this. This is just something I had to check my math. But I have to save $2,443 every month if I'm getting 5% return to be able to buy a $30,000 car in 12 months. You'll see that totals up to $29,300. The other 700-ish is going to come from the 5% interest that I get. Okay, so that's what I got to do in order to do that. So maybe it's a dream vacation, whatever it is. You can change this number. Maybe I need to save $10,000 for college. Boom. In 12 months, I need $814 per month. Whatever the number may be, that's how you do it. So I hope that was helpful. Please subscribe to Teach Mom How. Check out some more of my tutorials on how to use Excel for all kinds of amazing things.